Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Vormor USB microphone. The listing says metal condenser recording microphone for laptop, Mac, Windows, Cardioid, studio recording, vocals, voice over, streaming, broadcast, YouTube videos and so on. It's currently listed for only around $33 on Amazon. There's not much technical information available. It's no main brand, but they are saying it has high sensitivity, and the really interesting thing is it has a lot of reviews and most of them are really good. Yeah, it would surprise me if they were really all fake, but at this price range there is a lot of scam, a lot of fake, a lot of really bad microphones around. But I mean, I have bought mine, the FiFine microphone, which is a really similar style. It's just like a desktop microphone. I have bought it for exactly about the same price, and it's an awesome microphone. So I thought, yeah, maybe this could be a similar thing or even better. So let's check on that. Here we have maybe some information. Let's see what we get. Just some operation guide, caution, instruction. Yeah, here's probably the most thing which we get. Sensitive pickup, pure sound, professional condenser microphone, and yeah, whatever that means, I have really no clue. So let's open that. Yeah, it was not sealed, but I still hope we get a new one. So we get this microphone cable. That's not bad. So we are independent regarding the cable. That's the old style USB cable, but you can still buy the thing. So if something happens or you need a shorter one, longer one, whatever you need, you can buy another thing. Yeah, that's good. So here we have some information, quick instructions. I'm going to show you that like always. So I guess we don't get any website or so, no real support. So it's always helpful to have these instructions, especially in case you bought used or you want to make a better buy decision or you just lost the instructions. So what we see here, it has an official sensitivity rating of -32, but I've just lately tested a similar thing with where they said they have 32 and it was total BS. It was totally not working. So doesn't mean that this is honest information. So here we have it. I mean, there's not much. We have these two regulators for the volume and probably echo, but we have additional things here. I think for the speaker, 3.5mm audio, microphone on off, and yeah, metal body. Yeah, it looks like we have three similar model types here from this brand. So probably we have the model 858. We have these two regulators. We have also the 3.5mm audio, and we have the microphone on off. This has only these regulators and this has nothing to regulate. And here we have some details if you're interested into that, but it's probably not much important things. But I'm going to show you everything so you can see and read everything. Make sure you go to the highest resolution, usually 1080p. Put it on pause on every page so you have plenty of time to read everything. And the suggested distance is 15 centimeters. If I see this correctly here, it's a little bit small written. Yeah, I think it's 15 centimeters or 6 inches. Yeah, you have to be pretty close. I mean, yeah, if we have really these 32 decibels, you shouldn't have to go so close, because 15 centimeters is really close. You don't want to be so close usually with these desktop microphones. I mean, if you have these boom arm microphones, yeah, you can get really close. I mean, it's not difficult, but how you put this on your desk that you have only 15 centimeters distance to yourself. So but anyway, we'll check on that, how good this is, how quality is, everything. We have this windsock. I make this a little bit larger so you can see everything. Let's check what we get here. Part of the stand. stand as well, then the microphone itself. So we have everything here now. I can show you what we get. I take everything out of the plastic. So here we have everything outside. We have this windsock here, these two parts of the stand and the microphone. It's not super heavy, but heavy enough. We can see really clear into that, so usually it means it's not really good pop protection, and we don't have any pop protection apart from this windsock. I mean, we can use that, of course. There's also no shock mount, but with the FiFine, which I have, which is in similar range and which is super good, I don't have any shock mount, I don't have any pop filter, I don't have anything. I'm just having the pure microphone on my desk, and it's working great. But I'm going to try it with and without the windsock, of course. So let's try to put it together. I mean, by the way, at the end, of course, you will get enough microphone footage or voice recording from the microphone. Don't be worried. If you just need that, you can go to the end of the video to get the microphone test. But I want to show you everything. So what we get here, this mount here is a little bit weird. I mean, we cannot use this directly here. It looks like we have to screw this out. I don't know what this is. If this is some kind of standard, it definitely doesn't fit to a normal tripod. You can see that it won't fit. There's no hold here. I have really no clue what thing this is, but when we screw this thing out, then it fits to this tripod thing here, and we can put this thing down and then mount this to the microphone. We can screw that here. It's on the wrong side, so my bad. We have to put this on this side, of course, and then you can screw this in and you can put it on any direction which you want. That's pretty cool. So we sometimes with other microphones it's difficult. They have their predefined angle. That's weird here. It's I can rotate as long as I want. Oh no, it's now it's secure. Okay, it just took a while. So we have this thing here, and at the end you will have to connect the USB thing here. So that's everything really nice. So we have a huge amount of flexibility. I'll have to work on that. It's maybe not so easy. I can't do that in front of the or behind the microphone. There's not enough space here, but anyway, regarding flexibility and everything, there's a big plus here. That's probably the most flexible stand or microphone with a small stand which I've ever seen. So finally I have everything set up as it should be, and there are already some complaints. These legs here are super cheap and flimsy, and I think we cannot secure them. There's nothing to secure. If you hit these things, it will just fall down. It's not so good. I mean, as long as you don't touch it, it has a good stand. Is secure. I mean, you can really nicely center that with the angle and this thing here, but these legs are not so good. And by the way, I had to really push pretty hard with the USB inside, and these buttons here, or these regulators, they look as cheap as it gets. I haven't seen any cheaper regulators. They are so small, they are like Barbie toys. I don't know. So I'm really not very optimistic regarding that, but I'm going to do a little bit of sound check for me, and then I'm going to record the rest of the video directly from this microphone, so you will be able to hear plenty of direct recording from this microphone. So I'm stopping here with this camera, and the rest will come from this microphone. I'm back here for a moment. Sorry, I was a little bit too fast. What I wanted to show you is the comparison between my favorite FiFine microphone here and this new one which I'm testing here. You can see the difference in size. It's much larger here. the FiFine is pretty small. You can see there's a little bit more protection with the mesh inside. Obviously you can see also the legs, they are staying in place. You don't have to be worried. So now I can put this down, but this I can't put down without using my hands, and there's nothing to secure. There's really nothing underneath. There's really bad, and you can see this volume regulator that's easy to grab here. It has a decent size. This thing here, you almost need pliers to regulate this thing. It's almost not possible to grab these things. So yeah, I'm really curious how this thing will perform, but I'm really not very optimistic. So here we are at the PC for the final resume of this Vormor microphone, and you can see I'm recording with the Bandicam. Here's the audio setting. When I plugged the microphone in, it was automatically detecting this microphone. It's saying USB audio device. With the FiFine, it was saying USB PNP microphone, something like that. With this one, it says USB audio device. So, and you can see the audio level is very, very low. I'm about, I would say 35 centimeters away from the microphone. That's my usual distance. And when I'm using the FiFine, it's on a much higher level. It's not comparable. So I put this away so you can see this super, super nice microphone. Normal price $39, and you can actually stop at this moment. I mean, you can hear everything what I have to tell you about the things, and wait till I'm going to show you the echo and everything. But if you were considering to buy this, you can stop, don't buy the thing here, go and buy this here. If you have a budget of about maybe $40 or so, buy this FiFine microphone. This is way better. I don't know why this doesn't have better reviews, and this thing has better reviews, 80% 5-star reviews. I don't know who gives 5-star reviews for this microphone. It's insane. It's absolutely crazy. This sensitivity is so low and the quality is so bad. I mean, you can understand people, but it doesn't really sound natural. There's no clear recording. There's much of some strange noise beside the voice, and so I'm on the highest volume, by the way. I mean, I can turn it down. I just do it so you can hear that. So I'm turning it down. I'm going up again. So probably in between you haven't been hearing anything. So the echo is on full minus, so there's no echo. So I'm turning on, or I increase the echo. So I'm now in the about the middle of the echo position. Now this is full echo. Yes, sounds like you're talking in a huge arena or something like that. Yes, could be interesting to do this, but it's more like a gag, a joke, something like that. So I'm turning off the thing again. So echo useless. So the volume on maximum, and you can see definitely listing price $39, and this also $39, and this is huge. I mean, this is the microphone which I'm using since about 2 years, and it's doing a great job for this price. It's absolutely insane. And they are saying it has a sensitivity of -34. I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty accurate, I think. I mean, if you want to have something with real 32, then you have to usually spend much more money, at least $100, $150 or so. If you're just buying this thing, which also says -32, it's not going to happen. I don't know why they are selling this stuff and still getting these ratings. It's absolutely insane these days. So you can see how many fake reviews there are on Amazon. In such a dirt cheap bad microphone gets so many good reviews. I mean, it's like technically the tripod is bad, the mount is bad, everything cheap, the regulators here are cheap, the sound quality is cheap, sensitivity is not here. So there's actually nothing really here. The only thing is it has a really nice, I mean, the mount, everything. This is really, this part here, the center part of the stand, this is really good. This is super flexible. This is one of the best things I ever seen. This is even better than with the FiFine. At the beginning I was a little bit struggling here with the FiFine. By the way, if you buy this, you have to be careful. You have to look at the writing here. So don't put this on the side like it's done here on this picture. Make sure that the microphone, I mean the volume knob, everything is looking towards your face. But you can do that as well. I have done it. It's not much more difficult. It's a little bit more difficult than with this thing here. But anyway, this is definitely not worth the money. And I have been trying it with the windsock and without the windsock. And apart from that, with the windsock, the audio level is even a little bit lower. There was no positive effect. I mean, there's no real pop effect here with this distance. I mean, I can go closer and then it's way louder. Here I am directly on the microphone. Here I'm going away maybe 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30, 35 centimeters. There's a huge difference. So if you want to use this, you almost have to eat this microphone, but the quality isn't any better at all. So yeah, that's it. Definitely stay away from this microphone, no matter what you do, no matter if you are using the windsock or not. Just buy this thing here. This is way better. This is 100 times better, and I'm not affiliated with this company. I'm not paid to do promotion from the FiFine. I'm not even in contact with them. So, but yeah, this is what I'm recommending at the moment, and I'm keep using this thing here. Goes back into the box. I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing with this thing. Probably send it back to Amazon. Definitely make a bad review and keep using this one. And yeah, so I'll put down the link to the FiFine down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I will find a microphone test anyway on my channel if you need that. I'll try to find the old video about that, so you can listen to that, or just listen to any of my videos apart from the things which I'm recording with my camera. Everything is done here with this FiFine microphone. And yeah, I've been playing around for a little bit with this microphone, and finally I have found this magic button. Yeah, on the back side there is a high quality button. You have to push that, and now I think you can understand me much better. It's incredible. Yeah, I don't know why this is not documented in the description. There's on the back side there's this button. Just let me show you that. That's actually, yeah, this button here. Oh, sorry, yeah, that was a small joke here. Yeah, the button which makes the difference, that's the buy button here for the FiFine microphone. Yeah, I'm here on the FiFine microphone, and you should be able to hear quite a difference, I'm pretty sure. So definitely the only button which makes a difference, that's the buy button here for the FiFine. There's no magic button on the other microphone. This is total trash, and I just wanted to give you the difference, or show you the difference between these two microphones right in this video, so you don't have to search the FiFine microphone video. Of course, I'll put it down into the description anyway, so if you want to see the whole video about the FiFine, you can watch it too. But it should be now more or less clear that that's a huge difference compared to this one. Yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.